Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am surrounded by shoes. We're going to see how much we can make. I just unboxed these from a bulk.com case. I paid $280 for about 35 separate items. Let's see if I can make my $280 back plus profit. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so we've got a lot of shoes laying here, and we're going to try to see how many things we can actually send to Amazon. So I've got my Amazon Seller Central and my Inventory Lab pulled up. We're going to add that to my existing current listing I've got going on. We'll see how much we make just on these shoes alone, and then from there, we'll put the rest on Poshmark. We'll come back with total numbers by the end of this video, so stay tuned all the way to the end, and then you'll see after we spent all our money, did we actually make a profit? All right, so we're going to go ahead and list in real time for you guys. You got the scanner?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, those are not on there. Anything we don't find on there, we're going to set to the side, and it'll probably be listed on Poshmark. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Not on there. This is a quick way to process your items so that you can get your Amazon stuff out there quickly. Nope.
It even had an Amazon tag to it.
Maybe, does it have a different barcode?
Let me try this one.
Okay. No.
Huh.
Yes.
Okay.
Good thing we didn't take those out of the wrapper.
Yeah.
Those things were tightly bound in there.
Yeah, they
Size
are.
6.
Shrink wrap.
Dogs, women's loudmouth flip-flops, scribble. That's what they're called.
Yeah, you see.
So.
Scribble pattern. A foot's best friend, dogs.
A foot's best friend. Aw.
Somebody was thinking.
All right, we're going to sell those for $30 after fees, $21.93. Remember, we spent about $8 per item.
Phenomenal.
Perfect. Those are nice and still.
Hold their LP tag.
Okay, well, go look at one thing. Alrighty, ready for the next one?
Yep.
Scan away. Not on there?
Nope.
So I anticipate about 90% of this is not going to be scannable. But it's a quick way to work through it. Hey, those are.
Okay.
Yep, we can sell them in, are they in new condition?
Yes.
With tags? Awesome sauce.
New with tags.
Okay, kind of a pink fuzzy, yep.
Yes.
Always compare what you have in your hands to the picture, because sometimes they reuse barcodes and you'll have like soap come up as a pair of shoes.
Right.
So.
I need to tape their plastic thing, I think.
Oh, okay. Seal it up.
How much are those going for?
About 20 bucks.
Awesome.
Yeah. So I will give you total numbers of how much we expect to make on Amazon, and then I'll also give you numbers of how much we expect to make on Poshmark. Can you get it off?
Kind of. There we go.
All right.
Got it. I'm peeling these LP tags is what I'm doing.
Yeah,
You can
because
see that.
you only want one barcode showing, the one that
Right.
you put on for Amazon.
The computers at Amazon don't care for it.
Yep. Okay.
These don't have their tag. They just have the LP.
Okay, so we'll look those up. We can use the Excel spreadsheet to find out what to call those.
Same way with a lot of this stuff.
Okay. Well, you can process it fast.
There we go. This one I can scan.
Okay. Yes, that's on there. New condition.
Yes.
Let me see what it looks like. Yep, those are it.
This here?
Yep. 221,000 sales rank, which is awesome.
Yep. They'll sell
$32.99. We're gonna make $20 on it. It will sell fast on Amazon with that sales rank. So we've got 3 total items on there.
fast. How much?
Oh, I have to do the math.
Oh, I'm sorry. Stinking math
Stinking math.
gets in the way of our fun.
$62.
Okay.
for 3 items. $62, 3 items. Not too shabby. Okay.
Some of these I don't have barcodes.
That's fine. We can quickly just make Poshmark listings of those. So.
Yep. Ready?
Yes. Not on there?
No go.
Yep. The nice thing is they all come in their own plastic bags, so we don't have to bag them.
Yeah, a lot of them, yeah.
Not on, hold on. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Those
Bags.
tall knitted ones. Yeah.
It's gonna be ripped. I'm gonna get a new bag for it.
I don't know that they'll fit in the other ones.
Gray one, I think I got.
Okay. All right. 106,000 sales rank. They're currently selling for $54. We're gonna make $37.77 after fees. And there's none FBA. The only other seller is Merchant Fulfill, which means ours will get the buy box for sure. That's a stronger bag anyway.
Yeah. Thicker plastic.
Yeah. Okay, perfect.
There you go.
Alrighty. Next. Not on there. Looks like mucklucks are on there, but
A lot of the mucklucks are.
yeah.
A few of them aren't. Where did this thing come from? Boot fell from the sky.
A boot fell from the sky. Oh, you bet. Just randomly fell off the table.
Random falling boots.
Is that kind of like the sky is falling?
Could be.
See if the stretchy jeans are on there.
Yeah, they don't have a barcode either.
Okay.
That is a shame. Sorry, I'm trying.
Okay.
Trying to go quickly.
Oh, that Adidas shirt.
Adidas shirt has a...
If you guys have not seen, if you want to see each and every item, not on there, then go ahead and watch the first unboxing where I actually pull out and show you each and every item. Paul gets real close to the camera and gives you phenomenal camera work so you can see each item. So, Floopy.
Floopy.
Floopy, yes. Oh, Floopy is not online.
Try that again. It scanned weird
Yeah,
in my
go.
hand.
Yeah, that's
No,
not on
I'm
there.
going to try one more barcode. Ready?
Okay. Nope.
No. Oh, Floopy.
Oh, Floopy.
Floopy'd everywhere. There's another Floopy. Ready?
Okay, yes. Yes, that's on there.
Hey!
Yay!
Yay for Floopy.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's see how much these are actually. 80,000 sales rank, which is awesome.
It is good.
Yep, they're selling for $19.99.
Size
We'll make
large.
$13.32. Yep, size large.
Here, you got several barcodes. You don't want to
Oh my,
that
yes.
sucker up.
I'm gonna cover some of the old ones here.
I can scan these.
Floopy, floopy.
I cannot scan.
There we go. Now the only one left is this one, which is the one I put on. You're being awful noisy over there,
I know.
Paul.
I'm trying to get all the ones I can actually scan.
Over here on this table.
Yeah.
Oh, these are those kids' golf Crocs. They look like Crocs, but they're boys' golf shoes. But they're tiny. Trying to see. They say dogs on them.
Okay.
Got everything?
Yes.
Well, this is not going to take long at all to process this pallet.
No.
Or not pallet, case.
Case, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Not on there?
Not on there. Posh.
Yes.
Yes.
Those are really cute boots.
Mucklucks.
Yep. Mucklucks. Those
Yeah,
little...
a lot of the mucklucks, they'll scan pretty quickly.
Yep. $48, $35 is what we'll make after fees.
I'm going to rebag these. I don't like to look at the bag.
Not a fan of the bag, huh?
Not a fan of the bag, friend.
Thank you.
Catch.
I got skills.
Never had skills. Mad skills.
Oh, no, I don't.
Chair's not cooperating.
Perfect.
Take it too long?
No, not at all. You're just giving all our viewers a minute to think.
That's right.
We go with such vengeance sometimes.
I know.
They can't catch their breath. So, you guys good now? All right, we're going to keep going. Ready to go. Yes, those are on there. You can sell them. Serenoma Women's Scuff Clog Walnut Large. They're not going for a ton. $9.50.
Sales right?
Yes. So we'll make $3.
Woo!
But they're slippers, so.
I know.
And they're kind of like a cheapo brand, so I was okay with just getting them going. They kind of all balance out because we just did you know, some for like $50, so it all balances out.
These were the Boys Golf Spirit.
I know. I'm curious how much those are going to actually be. Okay, go ahead. Yes, those are on there. We can sell them in new condition. Let's see if they're $1 million pair of kids' shoes. They're little boys, size 11. And they're not $1 million. But they're going to sell for 16, which means we'll make $9. Not too bad for kids' shoes.
You make your money back, basically.
Yeah.
We got invested.
Yep. And they'll sell faster on Amazon. This type of shoe will. Not sure people are going on Poshmark looking for boys' golf shoes. All right. Ready to go. Yes.
I like it when they're on there.
Me too. So far we've got 8 items. All right. They're selling for $28. $19.39 is what we'll make after fees.
Nice.
Okay.
We're double our money.
Yeah. Okay. Nope.
No go? Let me try it again.
Okay. Nope. Whenever you are ready, sir. Nope. Not on there.
So that one.
Those each have individual, I think, tags. Nope.
I didn't think. Let me try this.
Okay. Nope.
No.
Okay.
No?
No.
Okay.
All right, 2 more. Nope. Do you want to read me those numbers?
No, it's the same as this other one.
Okay.
Last one, here we go.
All right. Nope.
No
not
go.
on there. All right, so let me give you a total here. We have 9 total items that are going to Amazon. Trying to multitask here, it's not working. we will make $178.34 for the 9 items going to Amazon. We needed to get to $280, so we're at $178. And then what we're going to do is we roughly know what each item is going to be for the shoes and things like that. So we're going to go ahead and line up the shoes, find out how many we have, look at what they are going for on Poshmark, and then we'll come back with hard and fast numbers for you for the total for the entire case. All right, so this is what I have left that's going to go on my Poshmark store. So if you're interested in any of these boots, they'll be on my Poshmark store. You saw what went to Amazon. So of all the items that are here and here, this is all going to Poshmark. 13 of them, I believe, conservatively, I can make 20 bucks on. Now, there are going to be some that I can make 50 on, some that I can make 15 on, but roughly, I think about $20 on 13 of the items, and then 9 of the items, I'm going to make around the $10 mark, and that is numbers after fees, okay? So that's taking out my Poshmark fees. So 9 went to Amazon. And basically 13 will be 20 and then 9 will be 10. And so of the total lot, I believe that we're going to make $528 total with the Amazon and the Poshmark. Take off the $280 that I spent on this case, and that makes a total profit of $248. You watched us do a lot of the work with the unboxing and listing on Amazon. I believe this listing is going to take me about an hour, hour and a half more, and I'll be done with that. So $248 in roughly about 2 to 3 hours worth of work. Not too shabby, and I'll take it. So hopefully it's been fun to watch us list this. If you want to see the whole unboxing, wait till the end. It'll be tagged at the end, or you can just go find the previous video on my YouTube channel. So hopefully it's been fun to see how much we're going to make on this bulk unboxing of a case of women's shoes. And it said men's shoes. I don't think there were any in here. So anyway, hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.